So I think we need to get Maria some gardening tools too if she's gonna start gardening. And these are customer top rated, but they're at a clearance price. I mean, how great is that? Clearance price on this. Good news is I can save you $15 when you order them today. Bad news is we're gonna have to retire them, sorry. So you are actually getting 3 of probably the most requested, used, and purchased tools that we have on QVC. We're gonna give you 3 different colors. And when you look at it, I know you're looking at it and you're saying, that looks different, because it's actually designed to have an easier grip. So if you are someone, and we're all at that age anymore, and even that repetitive motion, the strain that you put on your wrist, on your forearm, on your upper arm, these were designed with that in mind, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Here are the colors. This is going to be your moss. So here's your moss, is your green, as you can see, and this is what you're going to get. You're gonna have the chance to get, here, let me start this way, your hori-hori knife. Every gardener loves a good hori-hori knife because you could do everything from cleaning out in between, bricks where stuff grows to going ahead and using this if you are separating, let's say, something that you need to divide. Then this is going to be your hoe. Here's your hoe. And then this is going to be your weeder. So there's your weeder, so you can see, and here, you're supposed to hold it that way. There's your weeder rather. So here's your clay. Here is that was your moss. Here's your clay, is the orange color, and then this is called beach glass. This is the blue. But the idea that you get 3 Bernini. Now remember Bernini that we were talking about with the wonderful fountains that we can still hear so luxuriously? Well, we have another Bernini, well, not really, a Jack Yiser here, who helps create and come up with these great ideas. And it's so nice to see you. And Jack,
thank you very much for having me.
We always see you on Skype, so it's really nice to have you here in person.
I know, it is fun to actually make it out in the studio and be here with you guys in person. And I'm so excited to be showing you something so amazing, because these garden tools are revolutionary. We've all seen, we all have this garden tool at home. And yes. I want to just talk about how contorted and how twisted your hand gets. And it's so hard to use these garden tools because a lot of times, in order to really get down into tight dirt, you've got to clench your hand, use a tight grip, because you can only dig as deep as your hand can clench the actual tool. But in the future that we have now created for you, you have an easy grip garden tool. So I want to show you just how natural my hand position is. It's so much more simple. And if you notice on my hand, I don't really have like a white knuckle effect. Right. I'm not straining my hand.
Yep. We're not seeing those veins pop
Exactly.
Yep.
I'm not having to struggle. And then what you can see is, as I come over to here, you can see how deep I can get into the dirt. And look at that, I'm going all the way to the bottom.
That's that hori-hori knife we
soil,
love.
sand, and you can see I'm getting all the way down in there. And then if you can also see, I'm not having to clench the tool at all. And I think the biggest testament, even more so than this, is all the reviews. We have had so many people reach out to us and tell us how much easier gardening has become once they started using a tool like this. The grip makes a difference, and it cannot be understated.
All right. So you can buy cheap tools that you're going to end up with blisters, you're going to end up with fatigue, you're going to have to stop gardening because you're too tired, because you don't have the right tools. Invest in great tools, you only buy them once, and these are 40% off. I mean, look at the difference. If you have this tool, and I know this has been around forever, you know what? You could go ahead and what am I doing? I'm contorting myself, my elbow, my forearm, my wrist in here. I don't have that same kind of grip as Jack has.
We're trying to use less of a twisting motion. So you're not flexing your arm, flexing all the muscles in your forearm and twisting up your wrist. It's one straight motion from your elbow to your fingers. And that's what's so nice, especially when we start using this. You can just drop it in and with very minimal effort get all the work done that you need. And so I might be planting these a little bit deep, but we're just gonna put those in there, and there it is. It's so easy to do, and it's such an easy tool. And again, to me, the biggest thing is it's much easier on your hands, and the reviews prove it. People get these at home, and it is amazing the difference that they see.
All right. Get your garden gloves. We talked about those earlier. Get the tools, $20. You get 3 of the most important tools. All right, Jack, did you start any kind of hobbies or have a favorite craft that you like to do?
I've got a garden that I need to start using, so I'm going to start with gardening. That's going to be my new hobby for the year.
I love it. Are you going to do veggies or flowers?
I want to do veggies. I
love veggies.
I want to get into my kitchen as well, so it'll be kind of like a two-parter. It'll be gardening and cooking.
All right, lots of herbs. You'll have fun.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's nice to see you in person.
Nice to see you as well.
All right.